Last time on Sunny Street, Mochi went to Grandpa Ben's home.
That is Mochi. He's at Ben's home.
Let's go get him. Come on. Grandpa Ben! Grandpa Ben! Mochi, come home.
Ah, hello. Please, come in.
Mochi, come here. This is not your home.
Mochi looks at Kai, then looks away.
He said, no.
I'm sorry, Ben. I miss Mochi.
Wait. What does miss mean?
Let me explain. Miss means you want someone near you because you love them.
When I was young, I had a cat too. I miss her.
You miss her.
I know. Mochi can stay here with Ben and come home too.
How?
Mochi can visit Ben every day. We are neighbors. We stay together.
Good idea, Haru.
We can all be together. One big family on Sunny Street.
Together. Yes, I like that.
Come on, Mochi. Come home.
He's coming home.
Good night, Grandpa Ben. See you together tomorrow.
Good night. Come home soon. Mochi.
Today's key words. Number 1, home. Come home, Mochi. Number 2, come. Come here. Number 3, stay. Mochi can stay here. Number 4, miss. I miss you. Number 5, together. Let's stay together.
Say it with me. Come home. I miss you. Please stay. Let's stay together. Great job. See you next time. Grandpa Ben, what is this?
This is a tomato, and you will grow it.
Next time on Easy Story English, can Haru grow a tomato?